Hello everyone, my name is Dipendra and in this video we'll be discussing the most important topics you should be preparing for if you're targeting to score well in JEE Mains Paper 2 for B.Arch. Well, as far as mathematics section is considered, you all need to understand that calculus, algebra play a very crucial role along with coordinate geometry. Calculus means functions, limits, continuity, differentiability, differentiation, application of derivatives, along with integration, definite integration, area under the curve, and finally differential equations. So these are the major topics. Well, if you come to algebra part, matrices and determinants, complex numbers, permutation and combination, probability, they are some important topics which you should be targeting. Not just that, थोड़ा सा अगर हम complex numbers को भी master कर लें, so we can optimize our score very well. Coordinate geometry means straight lines, circles, conic sections. So these are some very important topics if you are preparing for, then your chances of scoring well in this examination are very high. Along with that, you need to understand that there are some topics, for example, set theory, logarithm, quadratic equations, sequence and series. So these are the topics which may not directly be asked, but it may certainly questions, अलग-अलग questions में merge करके इन concepts को पूछा जाता है. So overall, 12th का अगर weightage wise बात करूँ तो 60% syllabus JEE asks in general and 11th का 40% syllabus JEE asks. However, what you all need to understand is आपको सारे topics पढ़ने होंगे, आपको सब कुछ पढ़ना होगा. But along with that, अगर आप एक major chunk पूछना चाह रहे हैं, अगर एक majority of the questions पूछना चाह रहे हैं, जहाँ से सवाल आते हैं, that would be calculus, algebra, and finally coordinate geometry. So ये तीन sections हैं. Obviously better in 3D से भी question आते हैं, that's a different chunk. But ये तीन important part जो है वो है calculus, algebra, and this coordinate geometry. With that, I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.